everybody these days is talking about chat GPT, right? How many jobs it's going to take away, how it's going to surpass our human capacities, and so on and so forth. And I thought that is a very great starting point for us to think more clearly about these issues, and maybe in a more philosophical and abstract sense. So of course we already know about how ChatGPT is being used by students to do their assignments, for content generation. I mean, at a lower level we do see, for example, self-driving cars taking over from human drivers, and so on and so forth. But in this lecture we are going to concentrate on three professions: being a judge, being an artist or a designer, and being a scientist. And we're going to specifically ask, should or can these professions be taken over by computers? And what's very interesting is that none of these questions can be answered entirely by computer scientists at all. For truly answering these questions, we have to be taking ideas from philosophy, from political science, from sociology, so subjects like these, which constitute the core of what we call the liberal arts. And in that sense, they are a great opportunity to, in a sense, let me put it this way, to revive the importance for liberal arts for our times.